Okay, this is just a little follow-up tute about pluralizing words with es. So I'll just write that down. Okay, so words that need pluralizing with es have an ending of, well, s itself, or x, ch words ending in ch, sh, and the last one is o. I mean words like this one, arch. It's got that ch pattern on it. So if we want to talk about more than one arches, then it's es on the end. And words like slash, as it's sh. If we want to say slashes, then es on the end as well. And the same thing with fox, because it ends in that x, it's an es on the end. And words like pass, that ends in s, then we need to put the es on the end again. And when it comes to x words, I've done that, fox. The other one's z, of course, pluralizing z. So we get something like this, fizz, F-I-Z-Z, and because it ends in z, we need to put es on the end once again. And the last one is o, so something like this, tomato, becomes tomatoes, es. This is just a really short video on pluralizing words when you need to use es. Hope that helps.